Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick update video and let you know about the Doodle book. As you guys know, or some of you know, based on my Patreon reward, it has all the information on it, but basically I decided that June would be my kind of deadline for finalizing the design of my 1-year Doodle book. So now that it's June, I am finalizing the design of it, and that means that I'm finalizing the design of the page where I doodle the people's names who contributed to the book on my Patreon. A big thanks to the patrons who are currently and have supported the Doodle book, and I want to let you guys know that you have until July 1st to contribute to that reward if you want your name on a page in the Doodle book. There are more details on what you can get if you contribute to that reward on Patreon if you go to the link. I will put the link up here and in the description below. So July 1st is the deadline if you want your name in the book. The patrons who sponsored this book from when I first started it up until the end of the reward will be the first to get a copy of the printed 1-year Doodle Challenge book. That is part of the reward, and once that has been fulfilled, I will figure out where I'm going to put it up for sale, and then of course make a video for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing this 1-year Doodle Challenge book that has been kind of a thing in my mind to get done. I want it to exist. Again, I'll put all of those details in the description below. You can find it all in that link. And I am currently in the process of filming more videos for you guys, so I just wanted to make a quick update and let you know that, and I will be plugging it on my social links as the deadline gets closer, just to remind you guys in case you want to contribute toward the book and get your name in it and get some other perks on Patreon. Also, just want to throw out there that I know the video upload schedule has been a little bit weird, but I am trying to get back on track to Monday being Sea Lemon Day. That is when I'm planning to upload my videos on a weekly schedule. So I know this is a little bit of a random post, but look out for Monday. Monday there will be a video going up. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday, Sea Lemon Day, and I will let Kona say goodbye because she hasn't been on a video in a while, and I'm just gonna put her on right now. Kona, would you like to say hello? I haven't seen you in a while on here, but if you want to see more Kona, go check out her Instagram at Kona the Kelpie. She's always so much more calm when the camera is pointed to her. She's not this calm usually. She's like bouncing off the walls, and then when I put the camera on her, she's like, freeze. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!